Good evening, friend. Today I want to talk about the important topics which are most needful for all of us. That topics is how to develop our mind, how to make our mind more energetic, powerful. These these questions arise almost all before us, but a very few among us do something positively in this regard, and most among us do not think over it. But they also need these things. There is also the need to make their minds more energetic, more powerful, and more healthy. There are a few things which make in our practical life, we do it practice, then we can say that our mind may be more powerful, energetic, and healthy. First things which we should do is we should be optimistic. We should be optimist. We should know that nothing is impossible in this world, but the things what we want to do, what we make the planning, must not reach harm to others. If we keep in mind that our all activity will not harm the other, definitely we can take help from our surroundings, and that energy which are not visible also begin to help us. We should always think that we can do this, we can perform all types of good works, we can win the race, we can fulfill all our liabilities in time. God is always with us. We can get energy from the power of God when we begin to fail. These types of things begin to rise in our mind is called optimist. Optimistic is a good method to make our mind more powerful, more sharp, and more energetic. Second things we should know, we should do it. Our mind is composed of a loads of different kinds of cell, and that cell get damaged by our activity from morning to evening. They should need to be repaired. If they are dead, they need to be regenerated. So enough and sound sleeping is the second method to make our mind more powerful and more energetic. If we take sound and enough sleeping, in that period our damaged cell repaired and the new cell also get generated, because cell is the smallest unit of our body and they should be healthy, and it can be healthy by the process of sound and enough sleeping. We all should take nearly 6 to 7 hours every day in sleeping. Third important things in this regards are spend some time before the statue of God. If we are having nearby temple, mosque, church, we should spend a few minutes, 15 to 20 minutes in that religious housage. If you are not having these religious housage nearby, then we should sit before the God, a statue of God in our house also. No need to say anything, only watch and see on a statue of God, because God is a powerful form of energy. That energy know everything, what we want to do, what we have dreamed, what we desire. These all things should all things reach to God earlier. If even a simple things which arise in our mind reach to God earlier. So these things we should keep in our mind. We should love. Next things is we should love all the creation of God, even animals and birds. They are also the beautiful creation of God. We should love. We must not harm them. Third, next important things, we must not ignore even a simple things, little things, which are our personals. Like if you are a student, don't scatter books and copies and other study materials. Keep it in proper way and at right places. If we belonging to the different kinds of profession and the things which need in that profession and we are having that things, then keep it in proper order and at proper places, like sleeping bed, clothes, other usable things, that should be in proper order and also should be in proper places. Positive thinking is also a good way to make our mind more stronger, more powerful. Don't think negative. Negative energy destroy our mind, destroy our cells of our body and mind. Negative things sometimes take us in depression. So even a simple negative things, negative thought must not become in our mind, must not be arise in our mind. Other important things that is also needful: do well, think well, planning well, behave well to others, transparency, not telling a lie, not cheating, habit of helping the others. These things also a good method to make our mind more stronger and more energetic. If you are capable, we should help the others. What kinds of capability we are having now, that is not useful. We must not hoping the return from that very persons or other things. We should help others without having return from them. This is a good way to make our mind more generative and more healthy. Other important things in this regard are share our views, idea, planning to our true friends, true relatives, others members of family, etc. Because if something is wrong, if something is need to make that planning fulfill successful, it may be possible, it can be given from our true friends, relatives and other members of the family. Other important things in this regard is spend some time on yoga and meditation. Yoga and meditation conserve our energy which are in a scattered form. From morning to evening we do a lots of work, lots of activities which are useless, which are not needful for us, and that activities needs the energy and that energy is supplied from our body. So we should spend a few minutes, like 15 to 20 minutes over the yoga and meditation. It is a good way. Other important things which are also needful in this regard is fix the time to go to bed and get up from the bed. It is true saying that early to bed and early to rise makes us healthy, wealthy and wise. Here healthy means our mind should be healthy. If we go to bed early, definitely we get the enough time for sound sleeping. if we get up early, definitely we can avail all the beneficial features of nature which generate only during the morning time. So this energy definitely we are in a state to have it, because when we get up in the morning after sound sleeping, we feel very energetic physically and mentally. So definitely that things begin to come in our mind, in our body, which are needful, which are necessary also to make our mind more powerful and energetic. We should know that almost all these scientists like Einstein, Newton, Faraday, Pascal, and many more like this were not physically strong, but they were strong. They were very strong mentally. They were also not belonging to the financially rich family, but they followed these things throughout their life. That's why they become able to generate the unique and wonderful things which made them immortal. Things are not changed still today. Everything as it is. If we make the practice of these things, definitely we can feel the result within 15 days. And if these things continuously going on in our life, definitely our mind become more energetic, more powerful, and more healthy. If you like this video, prescribe it by pressing the bell button and comment me also along with the select topics about which you want to know more and more. I shall try my best to discuss over the topic selected by you in my next video, and it will reach you first. Thank you.